Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to share with you guys today another DIY, a lovely vase that I'm going to make. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Alright everyone, we have this tall vase here. I got this vase from Dollarama, but you can get these kind of vases from Dollar Tree also. And we have these lovely flowers from Dollar Tree. Spring is coming and they have nice flowers out for spring. And we have these glass pieces that I got from Dollarama. I love them, and they're adhesives on the back. So we got those. And some E6000 and our X-Acto knife that we'll be using. You get that from Dollar Tree also. Alright everyone, let's get started with this Glam vase that I'm going to make. Alright everyone, we're going to use our E6000 to put on our glass pieces. So we're just going to take off the adhesive on the back, the paper on the back, put down our E6000 and then just paste it onto our vase. I find that it sticks better with the E6000, you guys, for these mirrored pieces instead of using the hot glue gun. Or probably you could use a different kind of tacky glue, but don't use the glue gun. When I had you, I was okay. Even though when we go out, girl, I would wait for you like all day. Now I got a much different frame of mind. If you need it. I love using these mirrored pieces, and because they come in the strips, this big sheet, it's so easy and fast to complete your DIY with them. Ain't nothing gonna come and change our love. Cause now it's a different love. I'ma love it better, love. I'ma love it better, yeah. Now that I got you beside me, you beside me, girl, I got you beside me. I'ma love you better now, baby, let's celebrate now. Beside me, And now we're just going to add our flowers from the Dollar Tree to our vase. And here's our finished look, you guys. Our mirrored vase. I think it looks so elegant and nice. And for a fraction of the price that you would pay at Home Sense or Z Gallery or something like that. Yeah. I love how it turned out. The mirrored pieces are so very nice. You know, you can buy them, and I believe you can get them at Michael's and Hobby Lobby too. But buy some mirrored pieces and bling out your own vase. Like you all know, I am a diva on a budget, so I'm always looking for ways to, add something nice to my home at the fraction of a price. Alright everyone, I hope I have inspired you with another lovely DIY for you guys to do for your home. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone. I'll pick you up, I gotta see who knows. Baby, I know that me and you should be together.